Can AI really help you when it comes to buying or selling a home? Hi, my name is Mark Hewitt, and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals at REMAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland, and we have Central Maryland covered. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every industry, and believe it or not, real estate is no exception. Today's buyers can use AI tools to research neighborhoods, compare properties, estimate expenses, and even ask questions about the buying process. And sellers can use that technology as well to help them better understand the market trends and buyers' behaviors. But here's the important thing to remember. Technology is only as good as the information that it receives. AI can analyze the data. What it can't always do is understand the local details that make a neighborhood like yours special. It may not know about upcoming development projects, changes in school boundaries, traffic patterns, community events, or why one street might be more desirable than another street around the corner. Technology is becoming an amazing tool, but local knowledge, experience, negotiation skills all still play a critical role when it comes to real estate. The future of real estate isn't AI versus people, it's AI helping people make a better decision. And that's exactly where I believe this market's heading. Again, my name is Mark Hewitt, and I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and REMAX Realty Plus right here in Central Maryland. I understand AI, I understand marketing, and I understand your market. If you need help understanding today's market, just reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you get a better handle on what's going on in your neighborhood. Take a look at our new listing that just came on the market, 13594 Skyview Terrace right here in Mount Airy. Beautiful home, excellent condition. I don't think it's going to last on the market very long. And if you own your own business, if, for example, a chiropractor, a doctor, a dentist, hairdresser, any kind of business where you need some space as separate entrance, take a look at 21680 Leadersburg Pike over in Hagerstown. We've got the perfect property there for you as a business owner. Hundreds of Maryland home buyers and home sellers have trusted myself and the Maryland Real Estate Professional team with their most valuable negotiations, their homes. We look forward to earning your trust as well. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate day. Have a wonderful time celebrating our freedom, celebrating America's 250th anniversary. And please keep us in mind if you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate. We'd love to help them celebrate and set off some fireworks for their house. Take care.